everyone, and welcome to our podcast discussion. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our podcast today. First of all, let me introduce our group. We are from Group 2. My name is Mutia Hamzah Atarik as moderator for today, and together with my group members, namely Muhammad Sultan Alfa, Erika Cahaya Safitri, and Gladys Gracia. We will discuss an interesting, important topic. Today, our podcast will talk about technology and social media. We choose this topic because technology and social media have become a big part of our daily lives. People use them for communication, education, entertainment, and sharing information. Today, we will present the results of our discussion regarding response from listening to several podcasts. We hope this discussion can give useful information and new perspectives for everyone listening. So, let's begin our podcast discussion. First, I will chat with Erika about discussing the first podcast. The podcast title is Talking About Social Media. The speaker is Neil and Georgie on BBC Learning English from YouTube.
So, this podcast is all about social media habits and how much it's become part of our daily lives. The speakers chat about stuff we all do. They discuss things like spending time on phones, posting updates, chatting with friends, and watching online content. The speakers also teach simple English expressions related to social media, so it is easy for English learners to follow. The best part was definitely hearing them talk about everyday things like scrolling through photos or chatting with friends, about common activities like posting photos, chatting online, and watching content every day.
Thank you for Erika, the great explanation. Your presentation was clear, interesting, and easy to understand. Okay, next we will move on to the second research person, namely Sultan, who will present the results of the discussion from the second podcast. The title is Quit Social Media. The speaker is Dr. Carl Newport on TEDx Tyson YouTube.
Okay, next I will explain the second podcast. The title of the podcast is Quit Social Media by Dr. Carl Newport from TEDx Tyson on YouTube. This podcast talk about how social media can affect people focus and daily life. Carl Newport explained that many people spend too much time scrolling social media and checking their phones again and again without realizing it. Because of that, people can lose focus and become less productive in their daily activities. The most interesting part for me is when he talked about deep work, which means focusing seriously without distraction. He also explained that social media apps are designed to make people stay online longer and keep opening that apps repeatedly. From this podcast, I learned that technology and social media should be used wisely and not excessively. In my opinion, this message is very important, especially for students, because many people spend too much time online and sometimes forget their responsible in real life.
Thank you for Sultan, the great explanation. Your presentation was clear, interesting, and easy to understand. Okay, next we will move on to the third research person, namely Gladys, who will present the results of the discussion from the third podcast. The title is Social Media Isn't Bad, You're Just Using It Wrong. The speaker is Eva Amin on TEDx Cherry Creek Woman from YouTube.
In this talk, Eva Amin explains that many people think social media is harmful, but actually the problem is how people use it. She says social media can give many benefits, such as helping people learn new things, connect with others, build creativity, and even support careers or science. However, people also need to know the limits and use social media wisely. Eva encourages young people to control their screen time, avoid negative content, and focus on using social media for positive purpose. Overall, the talk teaches that social media can be useful if we use it responsibly. The most interesting part is when Eva Amin explains that social media can help young people become successful if they use it wisely. Important vocabulary from the podcast includes social media, inspire, and confidence. We choose this podcast because it explains that social media can be useful if people use it in a positive and balanced way.
Thank you for Gladys, the great explanation. Your presentation was clear, interesting, and easy to understand. Okay, then we will move on to the presentation session of the result of our group review and group response. Our group evaluation of the three podcasts is that all of them delivered useful and meaningful message about technology and social media. Each podcast explained different perspectives such as social media addiction, the importance of reducing screen time, and how to use social media in a positive way. The discussion were easy to understand and closely relate to students' daily lives. So, they help us become more aware of using social media wisely and responsibly. Next, the group response. What is the podcast mainly about? The three podcasts mainly talk about social media and how it affects people's daily lives, both positively and negatively. The speakers explain that social media is useful for communication, learning, creativity, and entertainment. But using it too much can also reduce focus and waste time. Next, what important message does the speaker deliver? The important message delivered by the speakers is that people should use social media wisely and responsibly by controlling screen time, avoiding negative content, focusing on real-life activities, and using technologies only for positive and meaningful purpose.
What information is the most interesting? The most interesting information from the podcast is that social media is not completely bad, but the way people use it can greatly affect their productivity, mental health, and daily life. The speaker explained that reducing excessive social media use and choosing positive content can help people become more focused, motivated, and connected to real life activities. What vocabulary or expression are important to share? One is addictive, the second is screen time, and the third is productivity.
Does the group agree or disagree with the speaker's opinion? Yes, we all agree. Social media is recognized as an enjoyable tool, yet it possesses strong addictive qualities. Although it is difficult to reduce its usage, the key lies in self-control. The problem that arise often are not from the platform itself, but it's from users' behavior and difficulty of managing screen time. How is the topic related to students' lives? There's many students are trapped in social media addiction, which negatively impact both their mental health and professional success. The core issues often lies not within the platforms themselves, but rather in individual addictive behavior and the inability to manage screen time. What lessons can be learned from the podcast? 1. Social media can be addictive and sometimes make people feel lonely or insecure. 2. Too much scrolling can reduce focus and concentration. Number 3. Social media can still be useful if we follow positive and inspiring people. Which part should be included in the video, mini podcast, or presentation? Number 1. The impact of technology and social media. Number 2. Important words and the content of the speaker's message. And number 3. How social media is part of everyday life.
So, that was the result of our group's response to several podcasts. Next, I will read the conclusion of the discussion. In conclusion, technology and social media have become important parts of students' daily lives because they help people communicate, learn new things, and get entertainment easily. However, using social media too much can reduce focus, affect mental health, and waste time. From the podcast, we learned that social media is not completely bad if people can control their screen time and use it in a positive and balanced way. That's all for today's podcast about technology and social media. Thank you to all speakers for sharing your thoughts and ideas with us. We also thank to everyone who listened to this podcast. We hope discussion can be useful and give positive lessons for our daily lives. See you in the next podcast. Bye bye.